Okay. So account logged off message and account logout header, and then there is a continue button. Okay. So these are the three elements we are identifying. And you see, is account logged off message exist? And I'm just checking that. Then same way is account log out header exist. So this one, and is displayed account logout header. So click continue button. There is a continue button after the message, and then it will log out. So click continue button in the logout page. You are clicking. Get logout page title. So you can get the logout page title written, get title. So wait for page load 2000. So these are the methods in the logout page. Very simple page, because only few elements are there, three elements only. On that elements, we are doing a methods. That's it. Next. So we are done with the home page, login page, logout page, my account page. And we need to do now results page, product details page, and forget password page. So let's do the forget password page. We'll finish that. Forget password page. Forget password page. Okay. Say, so every page you are extending into WebDrive details. So private static logger log manager dot get logger, and forget password page dot class, and you're getting the name. So and the constructor. So we are doing a constructor. This constructor is very important to initialize this page. And then elements find at the rate find by CSS. So header, forget password header, and then your email address legend text, and email address edit box. See, I used almost all CSS selectors, and the back button and continue button. So then you check if the header exists or not, legend text exists or not. Set email address. You can do a so email address setting there. So in that email, navigate to login page. So click back button. Click forget password, continue button. So you're clicking forget password page. Inside you have a continue button. After typing email address, you will get that. So that we are clicking on continue button to finish the password change. So that's the complete forget password page related. I don't know. So without that, without UI, it's very difficult to show that. So next we have product details page. Let me do this. This also will fill it quickly. So product detail space. So anyhow, page factory we are not using now here. But yeah, better to use page factory. Okay, we'll see that. Okay, so without page factory also it works fine. But this itself is a page factory concept. Okay, so in the product detail space, we need to identify all the elements. On the first day I have shown you product header, so product image list too. So in the product below you have all the images, different images. Then product metadata list too. So see that the position XPath function we are using here. So basically I took this wantedly to show you the position function. So then add to cart button, product price list button. Product price list, basically two values are there. The two values I'm getting into list. Quantity edit box, add to cart button. So get product name, get product image count. So this image count. So how many I'm getting, and then a product map. So this is the one where you can tell this also where you have used map in your automation. That's a question they are asking. So you can tell this. We have a product data we need to get. So we need a product metadata details and values. So there we have used map. So you can tell like that. So this all these concepts, if you remember, then you can explain to them. So basically Java collections, they will ask where you have used hash map, where you have used map. So this kind of questions you will get that. So you can tell clearly that. Get product metadata. See, this is the map, product metadata list. So I'm iterating. So list generally you will iterate, right? Web element, product metadata, colon, product metadata list. So this pmd dot get text. So you will get a meta text. Then, so metadata is metadata text dot split colon. Basically, you will get like this. Brand is the key and Apple is the value, right? So you're splitting. So this meta text is this one. Totally, you're getting this one. That you need to split now. If you split based on the colon, and you will get a meta key and meta value. So this is the array, right? You will get array. So your split method will return always string array. The string array. So metadata of 0 dot trim. Metadata of 1 dot trim. So you'll get the meta key and meta value. And then I'm adding this key value to my product map. So product map dot put key and value. So this is the how you can use these maps and get product price data. So same way, string price equal to product price list dot get of 0 dot get text dot trim. See all string methods again. So and you store here. And so X tax price. So the second place it is there. So second position. So that is list dot get of 0 will give first element. List dot get of 1 means second element. So get text dot trim method. So any spaces are there, trim method will remove them. And then add this price value and this one. So actual price, this value. And actual tax price, this one. So both I'm adding to a map. So then get product information means get product metadata, get price metadata. So return the map. So this map say, now here I just declared here. But here the main method is this one, and there I initialized my hash map object. So that hash map we are assigning the map object reference. Then click add to cart button. So you click add to cart button, set quantity. You can set the quantity here. So how many quantity edit box dot clear send data. So you can send the value. So this is the all about add to cart button and this one. So this is all product details page. So when you click on product in the results page, you will navigate to product details page. So that page related elements and methods. Now last one, results page also. Let's do the results page. We'll finish the results page. So results page, public class results page, and so when you search the product in the my account page, and you will land in this page, right? So that my account page, this one, see it is returning, this method is returning this one. So that's where we are now, results page. And at the rate find by, so search header, the top in the results page, then search product list. So you're getting all the product list. And then my account menu. So in that page, my account, I have to go back again. So to do a data driven product search. So XPath, my account option. And so get search results page title, get search product list size, how many products are there in that. Then select the product. This is the very important for us. So you need to select the product. So that means in the results page, you need to select one of the product. So that is the one I'm going to click, get element by dot link text, product name. So whatever the product name you want to click, so that product name you click on it. So time it will start medium bit. I'm just waiting some time. That's it. Navigate to my account page. But again, results page or not, so you can navigate back. So if you want, you can use this, wait for element visible, and then to medium weight, click my account option. So this is the results page related elements. To navigate back to, again to my account page from results page. And last one is registration page. So registration page is, there is a lot of elements are there in this registration, very big one. But unfortunately, this registration page perfectly this time this went down. Okay. Anyway, I'll explain again if you need more clarity. See this home icon. That's a breadcrumb home icon. This one. Register account header. Register account login page link. So these are all CSS we used. Then personal details legend text. So subheading, there are three sections, right? Personal heading, then password section, then subscription type, all this. And also when I onboarded my e-commerce website, it was a very simple thing is you have address related fields also. But this one somehow we don't have that. Maybe he made a shortcut. Looks like yeah, this is down. I don't know why it went down suddenly. Yeah, it is down. Okay, so anyhow, fine. See, first name edit box. ID I have taken. Last name edit box. Name I have taken. Telephone edit box. Email edit box. Fax. Address legend text. This is address related. From here onwards, address related. See, company edit box. Address 1, address 2 edit boxes. City edit box. See, all I have used either ID, name, CSS, XPath. These are the mostly we used. And again, postcode edit box, country code drop down, state drop down, password legend text, password edit box, confirm password edit box. Subscribe, yes radio button. Subscribe, no radio button. Privacy policy checkbox is there, and you have seen in the bottom this privacy policy checkbox. Continue button. So agree error message, email exist error message, register breadcrumb, account created header, account created success message, account created continue button. So account created breadcrumb success link and contact us link. So these are the all the elements. And so we're doing a setter and getter methods here. You can see this. Get account created success message, get account created header, click on register home icon. Is account created success message present? Is this so link present? Click on contact us link. Click on so account has been created continue button. Get first name, set first name. See setters and getters here. So set last name, get last name. Set email, get email. Set telephone, get telephone. Set fax, get fax. So like that, all setter and getter methods for all the elements we did. Then I made one set personal details. Suppose section wise, I created a methods and calling those methods again, setter methods here, and took the parameters here. So set address details also same company, address 1, address 2, city, postal code, everything. And then, so that setter methods I called. So maybe I'm simplifying here. Instead of calling these methods multiple times, I'm calling. So you can call only these methods. No need of independent methods. Set password details. So password details also we are setting. So this is how you can click login page link, click continue button, check agree checkbox. So these are the independent methods for each element we have created. Okay. So that's all about pages. So we are done with the pages, and so let's do now test cases. So test cases, basically page wise you need to write the test cases. Page wise we need to write any doubts on this before going for test cases on these pages. So if you don't have any doubt, and I'll just give some time for you to ask any questions, then I'll move on to the test case writing based on the pages. Okay. I think so. No questions. Let's continue. So did you all completed this framework design?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
completed. I need to add that 1 or 2 pages. Yesterday's work.
Okay.
Mm. Because today I'm busy with other work.
Hmm. Okay. Okay. No problem. So no questions then. We can. Okay. So let's develop the test cases. First test case. So we'll create a home page test, right? So home page test, all you need to do here is you have to create first home page test case, testng class you have to create. So and you take, so what are all the, so classes you need, and then for example, see this here itself in the factory class itself, your URL is going to be launched. Now in the test cases, what you need to write, sir, then so you go to home page and see all the methods. You call all the methods. Each method one by one test case, you can build it up. One test method, right? Navigate to login page, one test. So navigate to registration page, one test. And so is open cart logo exist, one test, right? Like that, you can create a test method. So you can take a before class, after class. In between that, multiple test methods. And so you validate this, the count is 4 is there or not. So such kind of things you can try it out. So let's create a first uh, test cases, home. Maybe I can create a test ng test directly. Home page test. Home page test. So I want before class, after class. That's it. So then you have to extends test base. So this is the inheritance you are using. Already I have shown WebDriver utils also. Every page class also is following inheritance. So extends WebDriver utils. This is the inheritance, right? And here also you are following inheritance concept. So here also you are following the inheritance concept. Now, so before class, so what you want? You need a home page, right? You need a login page. You need a registration page, objects. You create those objects. So you create those objects. And maybe even you can create a object for one time and you can call them anywhere. So that is also best option. We can try this. So here itself, you can all of them you can create in the constructor and you can call them. So these objects you can create and you can call them also. That's another best approach. Instead of creating multiple objects, I can do that. So let's try this public. So I'm just trying one way. So home page equal to new home page of driver, right? So you can declare a driver object. You can do that. Same way, registration page equal to new registration page. Driver. Login page equal to new login page. So driver. See, as of now, this is enough. Okay, these three enough. We'll do later that one. Okay, let's go to this one. I can just use that variable. So I can use this variable here. In the just launching that. So what you want. Otherwise, you can launch this one itself. Let me. I'm not sure that will work or not. Also, this one I'm not sure. We haven't tried this. First time we tried, but I want to continue same way what we used to do previously. This is the one I used to do previously. So private logger log equal to log manager dot get logger. So then you call this class dot class dot get name. So import the logger or and why so maybe not a for that yeah. I think it's a different one. So okay. So yeah, we have to select a proper one, otherwise it will complain. Okay. This logger class is here in the same above package. So log4j package, it is there, this class. So next I want to clear the caches, maybe I'll clear the caches. Log.info. Caches. First logo test. So verify logo test. Log.info. Logo exists or not. Verify the logo. Or simply write verify the logo. Maybe I'll put a test case wise, okay? So test case wise, we can put previously how we did. Let me see. I think we kept a test case wise. I'll put the same way, test case wise. Yeah, this one you can see test case wise, we kept it. So we can do the same thing. Let me take this and I'll explain for you guys. Well, this, let me try. Yeah. So after method, every method after we are doing that. Test engine. Constant class ycom dot utils. Oh. See, before class, we just created object for all the classes that we need. So then before method is basically I'm waiting for the home page. After method is every method after I need to repeat, right? This one, what? So I'm waiting for the home page and the title. So home page, see asset dot asset equals home page dot get title, and this already my expected value is in the constant page. So we declared that. What is this error? Okay, so the method name is might be different. Navigate to register page. That's it. The methods might be slightly different than previous. See, the first test case is verify open cart logo test. So is logo exist or not? I'm just checking. Home page object dot this one. Second, at the test description, test case 2, verifying the open cart page title. So priority 2, priority 1, description. Again, test ng is repeating here. See here you can run and debug, whichever you want you can do. Independent test case you can run, or you can run all test cases also. So at the test description, verifying the featured section cards count. See that asset dot asset equals or asset true. Home page get featured section card count equal to 4. It should be 4 only, not more than that. So that is the one. Next, TC04 navigate to registration page. And home page, navigate to register page and wait for page load. And so now a registration page I'm verifying here whether it is landed in the registration page or not. I'm asserting. So that's why assertions are very important. Click registration home icon. So in the registration page, you breadcrumb home icon you are clicking, it will go back to home page. So again, after this test method is over, after method will execute. It will assert that home page is displayed. So the repeated thing for I kept here in the after method, because every test method after what you want to verify, that I'm keeping there. Next we have navigate to login page test. Again home page start, navigate to login page, and you wait for the page load, and set equals to the login page title, and again you click on home icon. So in the login page. Okay, so this is the so all the methods, see, navigate to login page, registration, this is the same method right here, home page, you see, login page, home page. These methods I am calling here. See, one test case. Verify featured cards count. The featured cards count is this one. So this is the number of cards count. So that is what the cards count here. So then verifying the open card page title, you can verify, but this is not required because you already verifying here again in the every after method. So you don't need this test case, but yeah, simply you can write also. And logo exists or not, one test case we kept. So even UI also you're verifying one by one. Okay. Yeah. So after class, I didn't take only before class, before method, after method, then test cases. So what is the order of execution? First before class, then before method, then first test method, that is priority one. After this method, where cursor will go? After this test method execution, where the cursor will go?
Priority is not given, so test
After method.
Okay.
After method. Again, it will go to before method. Then second test method. After this, again after method.
After method.
Again, it will go to before method. Again, test 3. After test 3, after method. Again, before method. Again, test 4. This one. So then, after method. Again, it will go to before. Then test 5. Then after method. So this is how your test cases will execute. So before class, before method, test method, after method. The order is, so it will continue the same order. Okay. Any questions? Okay. Yeah. So thank you. That's it. Please finish, and till now, without application, you can also not do